Dark spots and uneven skin tone can be frustrating, especially when you're working hard to achieve a clear, radiant complexion. Fortunately, dark spot removers can target these concerns and help restore evenness to your skin. In this video, we'll be reviewing 7 of the best products designed to fade dark spots, brighten your skin, and leave you with a smoother, more youthful complexion. Let's dive in and find the right solution for your skin. Number 1. Vitamin C Face Serum, Dark Spot Remover. The Vitamin C Face Serum is a top-tier dark spot remover designed to brighten the skin and reduce pigmentation over time. With its potent blend of vitamin C, this serum works to fade dark spots, acne scars, and sunspots, promoting a more even skin tone. This serum not only fades dark spots, but also boosts collagen production, giving your skin a firmer, more youthful appearance. The design of this serum is straightforward yet functional. It comes in a sleek glass bottle with a dropper for easy and precise application. The lightweight, silky texture makes it ideal for layering with other skincare products without feeling heavy or greasy. The formula is also infused with other ingredients like hyaluronic acid and aloe vera, which hydrate and soothe the skin, making it suitable for sensitive skin types as well. Effectiveness is where this serum truly shines. With consistent use, dark spots begin to fade within a few weeks, and the skin appears brighter and more even-toned. The vitamin C provides a radiant glow, while the serum's ability to address discoloration is ideal for tackling stubborn dark spots caused by acne or sun exposure.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. VALITIC Kojic Acid Dark Spot Remover Soap. VALITIC Kojic Acid Dark Spot Remover Soap is a unique solution for dark spots, utilizing kojic acid to gently lighten skin and even out pigmentation. Kojic acid is a naturally occurring compound found in certain fungi and has been used for centuries for its ability to brighten skin and reduce the appearance of hyperpigmentation. This soap is an excellent choice for those seeking a more natural approach to fading dark spots. The soap's design is practical, with a large bar that provides ample product for daily use. The texture is smooth and latthers well, making it easy to apply on both the face and body. The formula contains natural ingredients that not only target dark spots, but also help improve skin tone and texture. It's gentle enough for sensitive skin, which is important when dealing with the delicate areas affected by hyperpigmentation. When it comes to effectiveness, the combination of kojic acid and other skin-nourishing ingredients helps to gradually lighten dark spots and uneven skin tone. With regular use, you'll start to notice a clearer, more even complexion without harsh chemicals. If you're looking for a gentle yet effective way to address dark spots, VALITIC Kojic Acid Soap is a great option to consider. Number 3. Neutrogena Rapid Tone Repair Retinol Serum. Neutrogena Rapid Tone Repair Retinol Serum is a powerful product designed to target dark spots and uneven skin tone, combining the benefits of retinol and vitamin C. Retinol is a gold standard in skincare for its ability to accelerate skin cell turnover, making it an effective treatment for dark spots, fine lines, and rough texture. When paired with vitamin C, the serum works to brighten the skin while tackling pigmentation issues caused by acne, sun exposure, and aging. The serum is packaged in a sleek, airtight pump bottle, which ensures that the active ingredients remain fresh and effective. The lightweight formula is easy to apply and absorbs quickly, leaving the skin feeling smooth without any sticky residue. The addition of glycerin helps to maintain skin hydration, preventing dryness that is common with retinol-based products. In terms of effectiveness, this serum is highly effective at reducing the appearance of dark spots and hyperpigmentation. With continued use, the skin appears brighter, smoother, and more even-toned. For those looking to fade dark spots quickly and improve overall skin texture, this serum is a top contender. Number 4. Differin Dark Spot Correcting Face Serum. Differin Dark Spot Correcting Face Serum is specifically formulated to target dark spots, acne scars, and hyperpigmentation. This serum combines adapalene, a retinoid, with brightening ingredients to help clear up dark spots and restore a more even skin tone. Adapalene is a potent ingredient known for its ability to regulate skin cell turnover, unclog pores, and fade post-acne pigmentation. The serum comes in a compact, easy-to-use pump bottle, making application mess-free and precise. The texture is lightweight and absorbs quickly into the skin, leaving no greasy residue. It's fragrance-free and non-comedogenic, making it suitable for all skin types, even for those prone to breakouts. The key to this serum's effectiveness lies in its combination of adapalene and brightening ingredients. Over time, the serum helps to reduce the appearance of dark spots by accelerating cell turnover, which fades pigmentation faster than other treatments. With regular use, you can expect clearer, more even skin that's free from the stubborn marks left behind by acne or sun exposure. Number 5. WNK Skin Lightening Cream for Intimate Areas. WNK Skin Lightening Cream for Intimate Areas is a unique product designed to address dark spots and uneven skin tone in sensitive areas of the body. While it's formulated primarily for intimate areas, it can also be used on other areas of the skin affected by hyperpigmentation, such as elbows, knees, and underarms. This cream combines powerful ingredients that lighten dark spots and even out skin tone without irritation. The cream comes in a practical tube that dispenses just the right amount of product for targeted application. The formula contains ingredients like hydroquinone, kojic acid, and alpha-arbutin, which work together to reduce pigmentation and promote brighter, smoother skin. The cream has a rich, creamy texture that spreads easily and absorbs quickly into the skin without leaving any greasy residue. Effectiveness-wise, this cream is highly effective for treating dark spots in delicate areas, as well as more stubborn body pigmentation. The ingredients target melanin production, preventing further darkening of the skin while lightening existing dark spots. This product is perfect for anyone looking to treat sensitive areas with a gentle yet effective lightening cream. Number 6. Meebak Cica and Vitamin C Serum. Meebak Cica and Vitamin C Serum combines the power of Cica and vitamin C to help lighten dark spots and restore an even skin tone. Cica, also known as Centella asiatica, is renowned for its healing and soothing properties, making it ideal for those with sensitive skin or inflammation. Vitamin C, on the other hand, brightens the skin and helps to fade dark spots caused by acne or sun exposure. Together, these ingredients provide a powerful one-two punch for addressing pigmentation concerns. The serum comes in a sleek, modern glass bottle with a dropper for easy application. The lightweight, non-greasy formula absorbs quickly, leaving the skin feeling refreshed and hydrated. The gentle formula is suitable for sensitive skin and free of harsh chemicals, making it a great choice for those with irritation-prone skin. When it comes to effectiveness, Meebak Serum is highly effective at tackling dark spots and redness. The Cica works to soothe and heal irritated skin, while the vitamin C brightens and fades discoloration over time. If you're looking for a serum that combines soothing and brightening properties, this is a fantastic option. Number 7. Dark Spot Remover for Face and Body. Dark Spot Remover for Face and Body is a versatile solution that targets dark spots on both the face and body. This product combines the power of ingredients like niacinamide, kojic acid, and licorice extract to gently lighten dark spots while brightening the skin. The formula is designed to treat pigmentation caused by acne, sun exposure, and aging, making it ideal for all-over skincare. The design of this product is simple and effective, with a pump bottle that allows for easy and controlled application. The lightweight formula spreads easily on the skin and absorbs quickly without leaving any sticky residue. It's suitable for both sensitive skin and those looking for a more intense dark spot treatment. Effectiveness is where this product truly excels. Over time, dark spots begin to fade as the active ingredients work to lighten pigmentation and even out skin tone. Whether used on the face or body, this dark spot remover will leave your skin looking clearer, brighter, and more even-toned. That wraps up our list of the best dark spot removers for clear, even skin. Each of these products offers a unique approach to tackling dark spots, whether through brightening, exfoliating, or soothing. With consistent use, you can achieve the smooth, radiant complexion you've been striving for. Let us know in the comments which product you're excited to try, and don't forget to subscribe for more skincare tips and reviews. Thanks for watching, and here's to a more even, glowing skin.